Hey there, fabulous dancer, and thank you for joining me for this 8-minute belly dance legs workout. No prior experience, squats, or lunges required. So let's go ahead and dive in. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. All right, take a deep breath up and release. Find that basic belly dance posture. Tuck the pelvis under, lift the chest, shoulders roll back and down. We're gonna start with single hip bumps. Feet are slightly wide, knees are soft, feet are flat, and here we go. 1, 2. You can squeeze the glute for a little extra glute workout. I'm squeezing right and left and right and left. And circling the arms. Let's try a double bump. Here we go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Feel your weight shifting side to side because we're going to get ready to walk with it. Yeah. 4, 3, 2. Let's walk forward. Keep it coming if you've got space. Circle the arms. Let's walk it back. Walk it forward. Walk it back one more time, circling the arms. Back to singles. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, we're gonna keep that weight shifting. We're gonna bring it into releve on the balls of the feet. Keep the knees soft. The quads are engaged. Arms up above the head. Let's go back to flat-footed. Little wrist circle. Let's take it back into releve. Arms come down. All right, we're gonna finish this move with a double time in releve. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep those feet moving so you don't have to balance, yeah? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Bring the arms up. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Flat-footed, nice, relaxed shimmy. So knees are bending and straightening. They stay a little bent the whole time. Relax those quads, relax the belly. Bring the arms up. Let's take it all onto one leg. Keep moving both knees, keeping that shimmy going over one leg. Lift the chest. To the other side, little under curve. Keep that shimmy going. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 in the knees. Let's do that again. If you'd like to up the level of challenge, you can add a little undulation to this. We can go up, roll, down, chest, lift, drop, tuck, release, or just keep with that shimmy. That's a good workout. Yeah, take it to the other side. Hold it here or undulate. Awesome. Let's bring it back to the center. Keep that shimmy going. Bring the arms down. Beautiful. Just a few more counts of this. All right, back to our side to side. Take it in a circle. Beautiful, take it the other way in a circle, circling the arms. You can keep squeezing those glutes if you'd like. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it in releve. And double time, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Bring the arms down. You wanna walk it forward. And walk it back. And back to our shimmy. You can put this on a slide, side and side. Beautiful, keep it going. And hold. All right, now we're gonna work those quads. Let's go ahead and set up, weight on the back leg, propping that front leg. You can put a little bit of weight in the ball of the foot for support. Tuck that pelvis in, lift the chest. We're going to drop, drop, drop on the front hip. So you're squeezing the oblique and then releasing down to neutral. You're gonna start to feel this in your standing leg quad. As you do, I invite you, do not straighten the knees, right? Keep it soft so you don't bounce, and you keep working that leg out. Arms in forth. Good, let's double time on the down. Down, down. Chest stays lifted, pelvis nice and long. Beautiful. You can be expressive in the arms, make it gorgeous. Let's switch to the up. Here we go. Up, up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Little extra oblique workout in there. Can you feel that back leg yet? Now we're gonna switch back to down half time. Drop, drop, and if you would like, we're gonna add a little release of the foot on every other one, working our balance and our coordination. Drop, release, arms are strong, chest is lifted. Let's double time, here we go. How's that quad doing? Yeah? Try not to straighten that back leg. Just keep breathing. Almost there on this side. 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. All right, same thing on the other side. Are you ready? Set it up, drops, half time. We're going down, down, down. Chest is lifted, squeezing in the oblique. You can squeeze in the standing leg glute to get a little extra on the way down if you'd like. Just make sure that back knee stays bent, even as your legs get a little tired. Yeah, you got it. Beautiful, keep breathing. Smiling helps, I swear it does. Let's double time, here we go. Drop, 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 drop. Back knee is soft, chest is lifted, arms are floating. Awesome, all right. We're going to switch and accent the up. We're going up, 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 up. Squeeze the oblique, lift, lift, lift. Can you feel that back leg talking to you? Good, keep that back knee soft, keep breathing. All right, we're gonna switch back to down and we're gonna go half time. Here we go, we're going down, down, adding that little release if you would like on every other one. Drop and release. Beautiful, just a couple more to get that coordination, to get that balance set up. Now let's speed it up. We're going drop, release, drop, release, drop, release. Awesome, if that feels good, take it around yourself in a circle forward. Beautiful, switch to the other side. And take it around yourself in a circle. Almost there, we're gonna finish it out with these hip drop releases. Switch to the other side. Switch again. Take it around in a circle. Switch and circle to the other side. Beautiful, back to a shimmy. Oh yeah, take the arms up and wave the hands through. Almost there. Wave the arms through. Get ready for your triumphant pose. Whew. Oh my goodness, fabulous dancer, you did it. How did that go? How do your legs feel? Yeah, oh my gosh, belly dance is such a great all over body workout. It's not just the belly. I don't even know why we call it that. Yeah, really good for the legs, really good for the arms, amazing for the posture. If you love to use belly dance as a form of exercise because it's fun, because it's creative, because it allows you to express yourself and you don't have to do any crunches, you're gonna love my course, Killer Driller. You can check it out in the comments below, or if you'd like to sign up for my free 7-day beginner belly dance jumpstart, if this is a new dance form to you, you can join me for free at sahirabellydances.com/jumpstart. And now that you're all warmed up and ready to go, why don't you join me for another video and we can keep dancing together. I'll see you on the dance floor soon.